Hi guys, welcome back to Destination Motorhomes. My name's Dan.
And I'm Tom.
And today we're here to look at the Giottiline Giottivan 54T.
Now, if you're looking for a 5.4 metre, 3.5 tonne panel van, which can be driven on a normal driver's licence, it's the perfect van for you. Let's go take a look. Now, as we come inside the vehicle, you can see we've got features such as these two captain seats just here, which do have seat covers to match the rear upholstery. We also have things like your automatic gearbox, so that's an 8-speed auto with the Fiat. We've also got cruise control, we've got cab aircon, we've got the lovely Pioneer head unit as well, and we've also got a full set of cab blinds. Now, as we come into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we've got handy storage spaces just up the top. We also have a storage space just above the cab as well. We've got your removable table just here, which does have an extension underneath, and then your rear belted seats. Now, both of these do have ISOFIX points, meaning if you do have little kids, you're a family of 4 and you want to go away, no problem at all. Now, up the top, we have a TV preparation point, so if you want a TV bracket fit in, you can do that also. And then moving into the kitchen, we've got your sink and 2 gas rings. We've also got a compressor fridge just down the bottom, as well as more storage space in the drawers just down there. Now, you'll notice just behind the kitchen, we also have a handy fly screen on the habitation door, keeps the mozzies out. And then back here, we also have wardrobe space. Now, just on my left hand side is the bathroom, which I'll get Mia to show you now, which you can see just in there. So you've got your cassette toilet, your shower cubicle, and then you've got a handy little sink, which does drop right down. Now, just behind me, if I step into the bathroom, you can take a look at the rear bed, which does also clip up, so you can use it as a bit more of a garage. And what I'll do, I'll just pass you over to Dan, and he'll take you around the outside.
So on the outside, we have the Campovolo grey paintwork. You have your electric step, and also your awning with exterior light as well. If we head around the outside, you got your fresh water tank in there. Then coming to the back, you have your nice large garage, which has all your extra bits and pieces for your third travel seat cover, your third berth as well. And in here, for the gas bottle, fitted with interior lighting as well. Then round to this side, you can see the 16-inch alloy wheels, your cassette toilet, your flue for the diesel electric heating, also does your hot water as well, and your 12-volt hookup as well.
So this was the Giottiline Giottivan 54T. What an amazing van it is.
If you want any more information on this van, look at destinationmotorhomes.co.uk, give us a call, or come and visit us here in Stratford-upon-Avon.